In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove apps in Canva. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Removing unnecessary apps from your Canva account is a straightforward process that can help streamline your workspace. Let's check out how you can do that. Begin by opening your Canva account and logging in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for one for free. Once you're logged in, look for the triple horizontal bar icon located in the top left corner of the Canva interface. Click on it to open the menu. Within the menu, you'll find a list of options. Locate and click on the Apps option. This will take you to the section where all your installed apps are listed. In the Apps section, you'll see a list of apps that are currently installed in your Canva account. Scroll through the list to find the app you want to remove. Once you've identified the app you wish to remove, click on it. A menu will appear with several options. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. Double-check to ensure you've selected the correct app. If everything looks good, click the confirmation button to proceed. Congratulations! You've successfully removed the selected app from your Canva account. The app will no longer be available in your Canva workspace. Keeping your Canva workspace tidy and organized is essential for efficient design work. Removing unwanted apps is a simple yet effective way to achieve this. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily manage and declutter your Canva account, ensuring a smoother and more productive design experience. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications.